In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add products with variations to your online store using a website builder. This is a great way to offer your customers options like different sizes or colors for the same product and streamline your store management. First, you'll want to open your website builder and navigate to the store section. This is usually the place where you manage your products, orders, and a variety of other e-commerce tasks. Once you're in the store section, look for the option to add a new product. This might be labeled as Add Product or simply New Product. Clicking on it will bring up the product entry screen where you can enter all the essential details about your new item. Next, we'll focus on product settings. In this area, you'll see an option to enable variants. Now, this is a crucial step. Variants allow you to offer your customers different versions of the same product, such as various sizes or colors. With variants enabled, you can proceed to set them up by assigning options like size and color to your product. For example, you can start by adding size as one of your options, and from there, you might input values like small, medium, and large, or whatever sizes you offer. Don't be shy to rename these options according to what suits your needs best. Moving on, you can do the same with color. Add color as an option and fill in specific values such as red, blue, green, and so forth. This is where you can really start to see the appeal of offering variants, as it provides your customers with the flexibility to choose exactly the version of the product they want. Once you've added and adjusted all your variants, you'll want to save your changes. Saving is essential to ensure all the hard work you've put into setting up your options doesn't go to waste. After saving, the last step in this process is publishing your product. By clicking publish, you're making this new product along with all its available options visible and available for purchase in your online store. Remember, having well-defined product variants not only enhances the shopping experience, but can also significantly improve conversion rates by giving potential buyers the precise options they're looking for. As an additional tip, make sure you have clear images for each variant. High-quality visuals help customers see what they're purchasing and minimize any potential confusion or returns due to product misunderstandings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new product with variants to your store. With these new tools at your disposal, managing and expanding your product catalog should now be a much more straightforward and rewarding experience. Happy selling!